If you think cryptocurrency is only about Bitcoin or risky investing, you're missing the bigger picture. Crypto is reshaping how money moves, how companies operate, and how people exchange value around the world. Understanding it today isn't about becoming a trader, it's about understanding the future of digital payments and technology. Welcome to Business Training Media's Professional Development Series. In this video, we explain cryptocurrency in simple terms, what it is, how it works, and the real reasons it matters for businesses and professionals. Whether you're completely new to the topic or just need a clear explanation, this video is the perfect starting point. Cryptocurrency is a form of digital money that exists only online. Unlike traditional money, it isn't issued by a government or controlled by a bank. Instead, it runs on blockchain technology, a secure, transparent system that records all transactions. A cryptocurrency can be used to buy goods and services, transfer funds, store value, or interact with online platforms and applications. The most well-known example is Bitcoin, but there are thousands of other digital currencies with different purposes and designs. Here's a simple breakdown of how cryptocurrency functions. Number 1. All crypto runs on blockchain. Every transaction is recorded on a digital ledger that anyone can verify. This ensures transparency and prevents tampering. Number 2. Transactions are verified by a network of computers. These computers confirm that a transaction is valid before it is added to the blockchain. Number 3. You store cryptocurrency in a digital wallet. A wallet doesn't hold coins physically. It stores the keys that let you access and manage your funds. Number 4. You can send crypto to anyone, anywhere. Transactions often move faster than traditional bank transfers and can cross borders easily. Number 5. Supply is controlled by code, not by governments. Many cryptocurrencies have a limited supply, which is one reason some people view them as a store of value. This system creates a form of digital money that is decentralized, transparent, and secure. There are several categories of cryptocurrency you'll hear about. Let's review a few of them. Bitcoin. The first and most well-known cryptocurrency, often used as digital gold. Altcoins. Any other cryptocurrency besides Bitcoin, such as Ethereum, Litecoin, and Solana. Stablecoins. Cryptocurrencies designed to maintain a steady value by being tied to real-world assets like the US dollar. These are commonly used for payments and transfers. Utility tokens. Coins used to access services or features inside a platform or application. Each type serves a different purpose, which is part of why cryptocurrency has expanded far beyond investing. Cryptocurrency is being used in practical and meaningful ways, including payments and money transfers. Crypto allows fast, low-cost transfers, especially internationally. Business transaction. Some organizations accept crypto for services, products, and digital access. Smart contracts. Systems that automatically execute when conditions are met. This drives many online platforms and decentralized applications. Digital identity and security. Crypto wallets can help confirm identity and protect personal data. Financial access. Crypto provides access to financial tools and transfers in regions with limited banking services. These uses show that cryptocurrency isn't just about speculation. It's becoming part of the digital economy. Here's why learning the basics is important. Digital payments are becoming more common. Companies are adopting blockchain and crypto solutions. Professionals need to understand new financial technologies. Crypto can reduce transaction costs and increase transparency. It helps prepare you for broader topics like blockchain, FinTech, and Web3. Understanding cryptocurrency strengthens your digital literacy and builds a foundation for future learning and career growth. If you want to dive deeper into cryptocurrency, blockchain, or digital finance, Check out our recommended online courses from leading organizations and universities. Many offer free enrollment options or course previews. You'll find all the links below this video. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly training courses, reviews, and career tips. Visit us online at businesstrainingmedia.com for more professional development resources. Thanks for watching.